flicker light, static dressed up as the truth. Every voice is set in fear, every answer feels rehearsed. They say trust what's on the screen, say the signal comes from them. But the more they raise the volume, the less of it feels real. There's a hum beneath the shouting, there's a tone they can't erase. If you slow your breath and listen, you can hear it cut through space. Catch the signal, not the noise. Hear the whisper, not the void. So don't beg and don't shout, it cuts clean when the lights go out. Catch the signal, tune it in. Drop the lie, let truth begin. When the world is loud with choice, catch the signal. Like mirrors, every angle sells a face. Flood the room with endless talk, so you never stop to wait. They call chaos clarity, call compliance being free. But they say no fates or nothing when it's forced too hard on me. There's a line they can't keep pending, there's a truth that doesn't move. It don't need a crowd around it, it just waits to be removed. Catch the signal, not the noise. Hear the whisper, not the void. Truth don't beg, don't shout, it cuts clean when the lights go out. Catch the signal, tune it in. Drop the lie, let truth begin. When the world is loud with choice, catch the signal. Cut the glare, no more voices in my head. Slow it down, strip it bare. Truth survives the quiet air. Catch the signal, not the noise, not the fear, not the poi. Truth don't chase, it don't pose, it just is when silence grows.